This was an explosive trade setup we got yesterday. My student actually was the one who took this trade, and this is the result. So in this video, we are going to look at how to catch these explosive moves. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. And if you're interested in learning more about this strategy, I have a free mentorship program. The link will be in the description. Go check it out and sign up. Let's jump into the video. So the process is the same. Number one is signal days. The most reliable signal day to me is a failed breakout. So if you're new to this concept, a failed breakout at the high of week equals sell next day. And the complete opposite is true. A failed breakout at low of week equals buy next day. So, buy next day. In our case, if we look at this trade setup, we had Monday setting the high and the low of the week. Tuesday extended that high, so still nothing interesting for us. But Wednesday, we got this very big failed breakout. So, when we got this failed breakout, it told us that the next day we sell. Now, when we are selling, what exactly are we looking at? Depending on which session you are trading, we follow a specific formula. If it's in the Asian session from 20, this is your high. This is your high of the day. And if you get your setup, you can sell at the high, which we did not get. If it's in the London session from 2, this is your high. You are waiting for price to come back to this level. So in our case, in the New York session, starting from 8, this was our high of the day. Now, with our high of the day here, what are we looking for exactly? We are looking for a pump pause breakout for the reversal. So this candle here at 8:45, this is the pump. And then these two candles, this is the pause. Now at 9:30 we had this explosive move, but it just pinned. So we just extended the high of the day. So in the next candle at 10:15, boom, we got our breakout. And then we got the next candle as our entry. So the next candle, if we have a breakout and then the next candle is bearish at the high, or we have a breakout at the low and we have the next candle as bullish, then that is your entry. At the close of that candle, that is your entry. Your stops a few pips above that high, and your take profit is at the low of the day. This was a nice 3R. Simple, no heat. It just went down, pop. Now, I was running an experiment to see if it would go back to the low of the week. More on that later when we have conclusive data. Got another setup yesterday, the Euro USD, and I explained this setup. And it's also an explosive move down. We got the failed breakout at the high, and then we got this breakout. So this was an Asian trade session. So this was an Asian trade. We got price coming back to our high of the day, and we have the pump, we have the pause, and we have the breakout for the move down. And look, we got in, there was no issue. The move went down very well, back to the low of the day. a nice 1 to 4 trade. Beautiful trade setup. So if you just have to sit and wait for the setup that aligns with your strategy, those are the ones that give you the explosive setups. Anyway, if you got value from today's video, subscribe and I will see you in the next video.